UK Overseas Territories Conservation, a non-governmental, not-for-profit charity, has been working with Montserrat National Trust, the Montserrat Government and other partners in Montserrat for over 25 years to support environmental conservation on Montserrat. Montserrat, despite its small size, has many endemic species of plants and animals. That is, they are found nowhere else in the world. Alien invasive species are one of the biggest threats to conservation, especially for small islands, and this is even more pertinent to Montserrat, a UK overseas territory. Montserrat has a particular challenge in that 2/3 of the island had to be abandoned 20 years ago when the Soufriere volcano in the south erupted. The extra pressure on land in the north of the island, coupled with the rapid spread of non-native invasive plants introduced by humans, such as castorina and blackberry, in the abandoned south as well as areas in the north, have put native plants under great stress. The spread of invasive plants is bad, not just for the native and endemic plants, but also the animals that rely on the native vegetation.
It's called Heliconia caribea. It's native from the Lesser Antilles. It's important as a nesting site for the endemic oriole.
At present, total eradication of these invasive plants on Montserrat is not possible, but control by effective management of small areas is effective in allowing native species to thrive. And this is what the Adopt a Home for Wildlife programme is about.
You really managed to get these castorina back, these Australian pines. They really are a horrible thing, really. You know, they poison other plants.
With these, I'm going to cut at least 3/4 of them off. I'm going to prune them way back.
Local landowners, businesses, community groups, schools or individuals adopt an area to create a good environment for some of Montserrat's special plants and animals. The Adopt a Home for Wildlife programme has been enthusiastically embraced by Montserratians who care deeply about their island. These enthusiastic people need native and endemic plants to plant in their adopted areas to start restoring their special environment. With support from UK Overseas Territories Conservation, Montserrat National Trust were able to build a new native plant nursery with some EU funding in the grounds of their botanic gardens. As part of the nursery development, a pot recycling scheme has been started. The Adopt a Home for Wildlife programme is a pioneer for this sort of initiative.
Even last year, every plant here was propagated in plastic grow bags, and most of the time these bags can be used only once, because then they burst and they need to be discarded. And most of the time we find these bags a bit everywhere, because when people plant the plants, then if they don't dispose of the bag in a proper way, it will be blown by the wind and found on the side of the street everywhere. Whereas with this kind of pot that we have here, but basically this is pot that can be reused and will be reused many years to plant different plants. You see with this shape of the pots, the roots will not circle as they tend to do in the grow bags. Hence the plant, when they are planted in the wild, will be more healthy and will have a higher chance of survival.
And I guess some people bring the pots back for you to use again here?
Yes, indeed.
Good.
This funding has now ended. Voluntary work is keeping it going at present, but funding is needed for supplies and nursery staff. Plants need time to grow, and we need to provide advice on suitable species and their establishment. Please help UK Overseas Territories Conservation help Montserrat National Trust keep the native plant nursery going by supporting the Adopt a Home for Wildlife programme. Please donate whatever you can afford at UKOTCF.org.uk. Go to Help Us and click on Appeals. Thank you.